Sun Tzu once said, "When you are at a place of battle facing your enemy, if the mountains are rugged and the valleys deep, and you hold the high ground, then you are in a mountain army. If you cut off the water and make it difficult to reach, and the enemy must cross it to get to you, do not confront them in the water. Wait for them to be halfway across, and then attack. This is the water army. If you avoid swamps and marshes and quickly withdraw from them, if you are caught in one during a battle, relying on water and grass for sustenance while avoiding dense trees, then you are in a swamp army. And if you are on flat terrain with a high ground to your right, certain death in front and new life behind, then you are in a flat land army. These are the advantages of the 4 types of armies, which is why the Yellow Emperor defeated the 4 emperors. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.